Blessings, blessings, blessings. Blessings from the smiling coast of Africa, the Gambia, with a smile. It's a new day. It's another day. Of course, you know that nature nurtures. So relish and cherish every moment. Walking in the woods. Thank you for joining with me. It's a journey to self-discovery. It's an endless journey. A journey without a destination. Stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. Keep on keeping on. Now you may be wondering, where is he today? Which place is this? Yes. It's familiar territory for some. Maybe new to you. But you know what? You can join me if you care. Well, you can also actually pay me to bring you here. Focus on the locus, because the locus is the focus. I love my walks. I love walking in the woods. Yes. Stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. Hello. And keep on keeping on. Yes. Don't just be alive, you got to live. Don't make ends meet. You got to get a living. Are you focusing on the locus? Well, remember, the locus is the focus. I said this earlier and I want to repeat it. Please plant a tree at least once a year. On your birthday, plant a tree. On your anniversary, plant a tree. When you receive an award or are recognized, plant a tree. If you are remembering a family friend or loved one, plant a tree. Yes, plant a tree. Just a tree. Trust me. You'll be pleased with yourself after a year or 2 or 5 or 10 years. And even if we're not there, those who may benefit from that tree will live to remember you, to thank you, and of course, continue to pray for you, especially if it is a fruit tree. So trees actually have lots of benefits, and I don't need to tell you, you know more than I do. Most so if it is a fruit tree. Fruit trees provide nutrition, besides shade, shelter, among others. And remember, it's from trees that you actually get water. Yes, water. And also fresh air. So the more trees we have,